Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag for the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So let's go ahead, let's jump right in. First thing we have to do is remove this cover. So there's a little golden triangle arrow, and there's a handle that we can grip. And then we just pull it out towards us. That removes the plastic cover, revealing our vacuum bag that now we can swap out. So you grab the vacuum bag by this plastic handle, discard your old one, and then bring your new vacuum bag, and we're going to line it right back up. And then just press it in place, just like so. So with this design, what's nice, when you pull it out, it seals the bag so you're not making a big mess here. And then when you go ahead to put it back in, same thing, it's in, then you press this down, and now it's fully operational. Put the cover back on, and that's it. You're all set and ready to go with your fresh, clean, new vacuum bag.